So you've been told you have PCOS. Maybe you've gone from endless Google searches and Facebook groups to doctor visits to random supplements that still doesn't really help solve the issue. Well, I've worked with so many women who have had PCOS and were just felt like they were shooting in the dark for when it came to their symptoms of low energy and brain fog and difficulty losing weight or hair growth or infertility. I want you to know that you can eat your way to wellness. Yes, you can cool inflammation, you can balance hormones, you can work on gut health, all of which impacts your symptoms and how you look and feel on a daily basis. This is why I am so excited to share with you the 6-week PCOS meal plan. You will receive a meal plan for each day, each week. You will have a grocery list. You have an instructional video, all so that you can bring your body back to balance. And that's all a dis-ease really is. I promise you, there is no way you can fail at this. There is no restriction, there's no dieting, there's no label to anything that we're doing other than nourishment, if you will, replenishment. I'm so excited to see you inside of this meal plan. I'm so excited to see how you feel and hear all about it. If you have any questions, just reach out. I'm excited to serve you and welcome